A lot of people use these tempered glass screens to protect their phone screens. I'm not a big fan of them, though, for a few different reasons. Number one, they're so brittle and so fragile. Sometimes you break them just putting them on. And then often you only kind of get one shot at putting them on because you can break them taking them off. Or if you try to put them back on again, at that point the adhesive has worn out and it just doesn't work very well. You kind of get one shot to do it. And they just cause a lot of problems. And then even if you do get them on right, sometimes the adhesive wears out and eventually they fall off over time. And then you're really stuck. So I've kind of said goodbye to these things. And instead what I do is I cover my phone's screen with what's called contact paper. And you can see it doesn't affect my ability to touch the phone at all, or touch the touch screen. Doesn't affect that at all. Still perfectly fine. Doesn't really affect the picture quality of the screen, at least not to any significant degree. And one thing that I actually like about it is that because the surface of the contact paper is a little bit rougher, it's not perfectly smooth. It gives me a little bit more traction on the screen. My fingers, my thumb, it gives me a little bit more traction. So I feel like I have a little bit more control when I'm affecting the screen. So that's actually kind of nice too. So what I do is I take some contact paper, and I'm going to get up now because I'll show you what the roll looks like. You can buy this stuff at craft stores or, at Walmart. Walmart sells it. And I love this stuff. I've used it for decades for different things. It comes in handy for so many different things. The main thing I use it for is laminating books, laminating paperback books. But I've come to use it for a lot of different things. And one of the more recent uses is this as a screen protector. Now, it is kind of hard to get it on there without some bubbling, but if you take like a pan scraper or something and just iron out the bubbles, then that should be fine. And then if there are a few bubbles left, it's usually not a big deal because once you light up the screen, they disappear. They're not really visible anymore. So now when it comes to how protective it is, that I can't tell you because I've never tested it out. I've never like purposely dropped my phone or dropped it onto like the corner of a table or something. I've never done that. But I have a feeling, and this is just my gut, I'm just telling you what my gut tells me, that this stuff would be pretty good at dispersing energy. So if I did drop the phone, I'm pretty sure that this stuff would go a long way in preventing the screen from cracking. Now, I can't tell you that for sure. That's just just the sense I get from years of working with this stuff. Another good thing about this stuff is that these days they make it removable. Years ago, it wasn't removable. It was like very sticky, and you really had, if you were like laminating a book or something, you only had one shot at doing it. Otherwise, you kind of would ruin the book. But this new stuff is removable, so this will just peel right off. And so if it does wear out, which the phone that I'm recording this with has a contact paper on its screen too, and it's had it on there for months and it's still fine. So I think that it lasts a long time. But if it ever did wear out for any reason, you can just peel it off, cut a new piece, slap it on, and it costs pennies. I mean, to get one of these, I mean, I've seen these at like the Dollar Tree, or you can get them at an electronics store for a few bucks. But we're talking a couple of cents worth of contact paper here. So price-wise, it makes a lot of sense too. But so anyway, it's just something that I've kind of discovered really works for me. It's just for what it's worth. I thought I'd make a video to show you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and leave a comment and tell me what you think of this. Have you done this before? Do you think that it would work for you? If so, or if not, let me know why. But it sure does seem to work for me. And if you like these kind of videos, I'm going to put this in my experiments playlist, because it's kind of a personal experiment that I've done that's been successful. So check out my experiments playlist, and make sure to like and subscribe to Captain Unusual for more videos. Thanks for watching.